हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. We already know about interest. We have learned about simple interest in class 7. Now we will discuss about compound interest. What is compound interest, how it is calculated, and how it is different from simple interest. So let us start. In simple interest, the interest earned during each period is calculated on original principal, that is, money deposited or borrowed. But there is another system used to calculate interest called compound interest. In this system, if a sum of money is invested for multiple years, interest further earns interest and is added to the principal to form a new principal after regular intervals. These intervals are called conversion periods. The conversion period can be of 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, etc. and the interest is named accordingly. For example, number 1, compounded yearly. When the interest is added to the principal at the end of 1 year, it is said to be compounded yearly or annually. Number 2, compounded half yearly. When the interest is added to the principal after every half year or 6 months, it is said to be compounded half yearly. Number 3, compounded quarterly. When the interest is added to the principal after every 3 months, it is said to be compounded quarterly. Next, the compound interest earned is more than the simple interest over the same time period. Number 2, the compound interest if compounded annually and simple interest are same for the first year. Number 3, in case of compound interest, the principal for a year, if compounded annually, is equal to the amount of the previous year, but in simple interest, principal remains same throughout the loan period. Next is formula to calculate compound interest. If we calculate compound interest using simple interest method, then the process becomes very lengthy. So there is a formula to calculate compound interest. If P is the principal, R is the rate of interest and N is the time period, then in case of compound interest, amount is calculated first. So amount is principal into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. When compounded annually. Therefore, compound interest is amount minus principal. Next, formulas to calculate compound interest for particular cases. Number 1, when interest is compounded half yearly, amount is given by P into 1 plus R upon 2 into 100 raised to power 2n. Number 2, when interest is compounded quarterly, amount is given by P into 1 plus R upon 4 into 100 raised to power 4n, and Ci is equal to amount minus principal.